Hello guys, how you guys doing? Si Real Talk again. And pag-uusapan lang natin itong sinasabi ni Nico David. Okay? About sa family niya and about him being a father. So, let's go.
Di ba? Pakinggan yung maigi. Ulitin nyo ng isa pa. Hindi ba yun din yun? And then I am supposed to believe that this person has repented for his transgression sa mga nakaraang taon? Parang ganun pa rin eh. Real talk lang to, my man. Sinabi mo nagrepent ka pero parang ganun ka pa rin. Yung pa rin yung issue mo sa akin for the past 6 years of my existence dito sa social media. Kada na lang magko-content ka again sa akin, you bring this up. Why? Anong nagawang mali ng mag-ina ko sa'yo, pare? Anong nagawang mali ng asawa ko sa'yo or nanay ng anak ko?
Okay, statistically, ang babae ang nangiiwan sa lalaki. Once again, statistically, ang babae ang nangiiwan sa lalaki. Okay? Pero when it comes to cheating, men cheat more than women. Okay?
Ano ang nagawa niya sa'yo? This is not public knowledge, pero ikaw finload mo na iniwan ako or something like this. Alam mo ba yung detalye ng storya niyan? Para ikwento mo na parang alam na alam mo? Hindi kasi yan din yung ginagawa mo sa kanya, ha? No? Ang ginagawa ko sa'yo is yung mga publicly posted mong ginagawa. Actually, alam ko nga yung mga sinabi ng asawa mo sa akin in the past recent times sa comment section, yung nag-livestream kayo sa Japan. Narinig ko lahat yun, tol. Pero nakita mo ba na sinasama ko siya dito sa debunk na to? Di ba hindi? Yung mga anak mo din, hindi ko rin dinadamay. Yung magulang mo, hindi rin. Wala sa family mo ang dinamay ko ever. Pero ikaw, sa ginagawa mong yan, parati mong dinadama yung mag-iina kong nananahimik na sa pribadong buhay nila. Why? What's the point of that? Just to make you look like you're a better father than me? Di sa'yo na yun.
Ito, like, bakit mo tinatapon yung fatherhood mo, Nico David? Being father is one of the best thing that can happen. Well, it was one of the best thing that happened to me. Being a father changed me. Being a father made me better. Like, I love my son so much that I want to be better for him. Lagi ko ang tinatanong yung anak ko like, what don't you like about me? Because one thing, I mean, you can learn a lot from your child. And your child can see your weakness and strength. If you want to know your weakness, ask your child or ask your wife. You shouldn't be throwing away yung pagiging father just like that. You don't know how the impact that you have to your child as a father. Okay? You are probably one of the most important person in the planet for your child. As a father, and tinatapon mo lang siya.
Pero you cannot malign me for being a father to my child. Kasi in a heartbeat, I will do everything for them. Hindi mo lang...
Ito hindi ko maintindihan to Like, sinasabi niya, I will do everything for them. Bakit hindi kayo magkasama? Sabi mo lang you will do everything for them. if you will do everything for them, then you should try your best to make your family complete, make it whole. Because, especially pag lalo na lumaki na yung anak mo, your child will see other families and your child will wonder about that. There are other families out there. How come they can make it work and you can't? Your child will ask you that.
Alam kung gaano ko kamahal yung dalawang tao na yun. And this will be the last time I will also address this. But this will not be the last time I will make you accountable for your actions.
Yeah, I don't understand nga eh. Pag I hear that a lot though. Like, granted, in my research, the child will grow. Okay, if between a mother and a father, okay, the child will grow better with a father. Isa nga sa mga pinakita kong statistic before sa content ko is how 60%. I, I I mean, you can research this, pero I think ibang content. I think I haven't posted that content, pero 60% of um, incarcerated, yung incarcerated people in jail, okay, yung mga youth in jail, 60 to 80% of them don't have a father or they're neglected by their father. Okay? Kaya fathers are very, very important. That's why you shouldn't be throwing your fatherhood away. And as much as possible, okay, you should make it work. Your family should be complete. Because that's how your child, yun ang direction ng anak mo eh. Like kasi ang makikita niya first is the family eh. His family. Or her family. Okay? Meron ngang ano eh, there's a quote from Obama that talks about fatherless children. Let's see if I can find it. Just hold on. Ito. All right. So I'm gonna take this out. We know the statistic that children who grew up without a father are 5 times more likely to live in poverty and commit crime, 9 times more likely to drop out of school, and 20 times more likely to end up in prison. Okay? So you need to think about that. Being a father is one of the greatest thing that ever happened to me. Kaya marami akong content about being a father. Okay? Oh, yun lang naman. Hopefully everybody have a good day and peacing out.